full disclosure, I usually never wear turtlenecks like this. And this is the one that Kofandi sent us for our review. And pretty excited. I did make a mistake. I ordered the large. They sent me the large because that's the one I wanted. And it was large. I wear medium. We put it in the wash, put it in the dryer, and now it's a medium. So that's note to self. Of course, you will shrink them if you put them in the wash and in the dryer. But once it's now a medium, it actually fits perfectly. It's a really nice cotton material. It's really soft, actually. Like I said, I'm not used to turtlenecks, but this is quite comfortable. It's not tight at all. And it does fall really nice. It's not too short, not too long. I don't know how to explain it, but it kind of just works, right? So I'm pretty happy. This is something I would wear under just a straight up coat, a jacket, and go out on a nice fall day, which we don't have right now, but we will be going and traveling, and this is definitely going to be in my suitcase. So I really like it.